Hi guys, this is Sec4. I'm following what might be a typical London breakout scenario type of trade, okay? Let me try to explain what I'm seeing on the chart. Oh, by the way, today is the 21st of May 2007 at 10 a.m. London time. Alright. I usually to try the London Open breakout, I usually look exclusively at the hourly chart. Okay. As you can see, we've seen for the last few days a clear downtrend. Okay, this is the difference days price action. This is today's price action, last Friday, last Thursday, last Wednesday. So as you can see, we've been making lower highs, lower lows for the day. All right. In the overnight, this has been the overnight, last night's price action range. Okay, that's what had been going on throughout the Tokyo session. Okay, let's zoom into the 15-minute chart for a clearer view. And I'm gonna define the overnight trading range, okay, for you guys. This has been what's been going on Tokyo, all right, over the night. Like I say, the overnight trading range, all right. At this time, London opened up. Okay, we saw a nice thrust down, then a pullback, and it might be continuing now to the downside, okay, as we take out the pullback, the tip of the breakout thrust. Okay, I'm gonna trigger my short entry. That's I'm redefining now the overnight range for you guys. Okay, that's it. This bar that I'm pointing out right now is the 7:45 bar. Okay, London time. Just about 15 minutes prior the London Open. So that's about right. Okay. It's the breakout usually occurs either 1 hour before, 2 or 1 hour after the breakout. Okay, the session open, the London session open. You can't expect the market to react right as the market opens. Okay, if it opens at 9 a.m., 8 a.m., you cannot expect, you know, the actual breakout to occur at 8 a.m. Okay, you gotta broaden up a little bit that time span. Okay, let's say 1 hour prior the official open, or 1 hour later. Okay, it's around there. That's why it's important to be in front of your computer right as the market opens, because the breakout, like I say, might take place anywhere around within those 2 hours time span. Okay, anyway, this is the 7:45 a.m. London time. This is the 8 a.m. London time. Okay, market opens up around there. We've seen the range bound overnight price action breakout, pull back to the breakout level. Okay, you see this these two lows here defining the Asian the Tokyo session range. Okay, right there. Okay, these two lows, okay, define the bottom of the range. We had the breakout, we've had just the pullback to retest this level. Seems like it's holding. As soon as we peep below the previous low, I will trigger my short entry. This is going to be my my stop loss, and my target price is going to be the average day range for today, minus 20%, you know, to be conservative. So if that's the high for today at 1 let's say 197.55. The average day range for the sterling pounds is 120 pips. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna add 80 pips, 100 pips from this level, so that's 197.60 more or less, minus 100 pips is gonna be 196.60, which is around there. Okay, that's gonna be my final target. Okay, this is my entry, my stop loss, and my final target. Alright guys, I will stop the video now, and I will keep on updating as soon as I get either an entry or price in the other hand retraces up and voiding the whole setup. Alright, bye bye. Hi guys, just a quick update to let you know that I've triggered my sell stop order. Just got triggered right there. I'm effectively into the trade. 197.12 is my entry, 197.40 my stop loss, my final target being 196.45. Just pipped me in. We're seeing a small retracement back into back up, but anyway, I'm not too concerned. I'm gonna stay in the trade. I've just been triggered basically 5 minutes ago, so I'm not concerned about it. Alright guys, I'll keep on updating the video. Bye bye. Hi guys, just a quick update to let you know that I've moved to stop down from this level to this level. Okay, as you saw in the previous update, we had the breakout, the pullback, and the final continuation. We got me into the trade. Finally we broke down this breakout thrust. Okay, we retraced to this level right there, you see, and it proved just as it proved before being a support. Now it worked as resistance. That level is confirmed, and therefore I'm gonna move my stop loss to down to this level at 197.20. Nonetheless, like I say, if this level has been proved as support and resistance, if price breaks once again above this level, I don't want to be in this position anymore. So that's why my stop is going to be moved up there. Alright, bye bye. Hi guys, just a quick update to let you know that I've moved my stop to break even. Okay, actually I've moved it like 5 pips in profit to secure 5 pips. Not a big deal anyway. We've just broken below the 197.00 round number, which was also last trading session's low for the day, right there. Today we broke down this level. We retraced up to that level, and we found resistance of it, and we've now scored lower lows. Okay, this makes me think that this 197.00 level has been confirmed as a former support, now current resistance, and therefore it's safe to move my stop, trail my stop below. Okay, I've secured barely 5 pips, not a big deal, but nonetheless it's just to minimize risk in case price should decide to actually turn the other way around. Okay, so it's now basically a risk-free trade, and I will let it run to its full potential target. Alright, bye bye. Hey guys, one final update just to let you know that I've been stopped out to the pip actually, unfortunately, plus 5 pips on this trade. A humble result, but oh well, nonetheless it's not a loss. The market it was just way too slow on the second half of London, and now the first half of the American session. It's showing no momentum whatsoever. So yeah, nonetheless, plus 5 still seems like a nice possibility to the downside after having broken this level, being retested right now, and possible breakout to the downside would be a nice setup. But anyway, it's not the time of the day I look to trade, and we've run already most of the average daily range, so not gonna take the trade. Alright, plus 5 on this trade. That's about it. Bye bye.